guys, I'm going to be working on my summer collection, and for this one it's going to be a really nice tropical scent. I'm really doing a lot of tropical scents for this release, and the soap I'm going to be doing right now is Lavender Coconut Citrus, and I had actually done 4 testers several months ago just to kind of see which the most people like, because the problem is with really any citrus or coconut or lavender, well, especially coconut and the citrus, is different manufacturers have different scent profiles. So they may smell different out of the bottle versus like in actual cold process. So I made 4 different soaps using 3 different scents, 3 different combinations of, not 3 different combinations, but 4 different combinations of the 3 fragrances from different manufacturers. Hopefully that makes sense. And this was the one that people liked the most. And it's interesting, especially with coconut, because some of them are toastier than others. Some of them are more like tropical banana-y-ish. So this one was the favorite out of all the ones, and it's going to be really, really nice scented soap. And the issue with the colors for this particular one is anytime you have something like coconut or something that's like a foodie type scent that's warm and it's got that vanilla in it, it's going to discolor to brown. Now the nice thing about it with the lavender and with the citrus that I chose, and the citrus on the other side has a tendency to kind of have an oranger cast, but this one with the lighter color of lavender and the citrus is going to lighten up that brown. So it's going to be kind of a nice soft brown, so not super dark or anything like that. And the problem with that, like I was saying, is the discoloration of the other colors in there. So my plan is I'm going to have these 3 colors. I've got a white, a lavender, and a light yellow that complemented. I should have had the bar with me because I had one, but it's in my bathroom. But anyway, these 3 complemented that color really well. My plan is I'm going to divide the batter in half. I'm going to be using my handmade mold. I need to get one that's like wood one of these days. And I'm going to do half the batch, and I'm going to go ahead and emulsify all of it because the fragrance accelerates. So what I'm going to do is pour half the batch into the smaller bowl, and then from that, I'm going to put it in 3 of these squeeze bottles, and I actually have some of the mica already in here, and I went ahead and mixed it with water. Sometimes I do oil, but I really like how mica mixes with water and when I'm dispersing it. And I'll do these 3. So the plan is mix the batter, pour off half in here, and then put some into the 3 of these, add the fragrance into there, half of the fragrance, which I have that measured out already, just half of it. Pour it in, and then using the squeeze bottle, I'm going to do swirls. They're called drop swirls, so I'm going to squeeze it on top, so hopefully get some thin drips in there. And then I'll go ahead and mix up the next part. So hopefully I'll have kind of 2 layers of the soft brown with those swirls, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So get everything ready to go, and we'll come back when it's time to make the soap.